slow, gentle breath in and softly exhale. Allow your body to begin to unwind. There is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to go. This is your time to rest. Let your shoulders drop. Unclench your jaw. Soften your forehead. Feel the surface beneath you, holding you, supporting you. You are safe in this moment. Take another slow breath in and exhale just a little longer this time. Let the day begin to fade. You don't need to carry anything with you. Not the thoughts, not the worries, not the unfinished moments. They can wait. Right now, you are allowed to rest. I release this day with ease. I let go of everything I cannot control. My mind is becoming quieter. My body is becoming heavier. I am gently unwinding. Any thoughts that arise can simply pass by like clouds drifting across the night sky. There is nothing to solve right now, nothing to fix, nothing to figure out. Just breathe. Slow, soft, easy. I choose peaceful thoughts. I welcome calm into my mind. Each breath relaxes me more deeply. Each exhale releases tension. I am safe to slow down. Feel your body sinking deeper into comfort. Your legs are relaxed. Your arms are soft and still. Your chest rises and falls gently. Your whole body is at ease. I'm allowed to rest. I'm allowed to switch off. I do not need to be productive right now. Rest is enough. Let your thoughts soften even more, like waves gently settling on a quiet shore, becoming slower, quieter, more distant. I trust that everything will be okay. I trust myself. I have done enough for today. I am enough, just as I am. If any tension remains, gently breathe into it. And as you exhale, let it melt away. Softly, effortlessly. Your mind is becoming still. Your body is deeply relaxed. You are drifting into calm. I welcome sleep with ease. Sleep comes naturally to me. I do not chase sleep. I allow it. There is nothing you need to force. Sleep will arrive in its own time, in its own gentle way. I am safe. I am calm. I am at peace. Let your breathing become slow and natural. In and out. In and out. Feel yourself drifting, floating gently, as if carried by softness, supported, held at ease. I release all remaining thoughts. I surrender to rest. I welcome deep, peaceful sleep. Let yourself drift now. There is nothing more to do, nothing more to think about. Just rest, just sleep, softly, gently. Good night. Good night. Good night.